Welcome to Skyward Training 101. In this module, you're going to learn how to print a progress report for the fall report card. First thing you're going to need to do is log into your Skyward account with the information provided for you. Once you do log in, you'll be brought to your home screen right here, and you will need to go to Teacher Access by clicking on that and go down to My Gradebook. The next thing you'll need to do is select any gradebook. It does not matter which subject you're in. For this, I'll just select Math. Once it pulls that up, you have the option to run reports. So the report that we're going to be looking for is called a multi-class progress report under the Reports tab. We'll click on that. And what we need to do after we open up this window is add a new template. And you'll need to name it. I will name this Progress Report 1. Save it. And then it's going to pull up some options here. The option that we need to make sure we put on there if you do want these signed, which I do believe you will, is you want to check the display signature line by checking there. And then it does give you some options for some headers and footers, and if you want to comment on your grade card that would go out to your entire class on every single grade card, you can type that comment there. And then once you have that information typed in, it's totally optional, you will click Save. Okay. Once you run the report, you can go ahead and find the report you just created right up here, Progress Report 1, and you will click Print. Now this obviously, remember, does not print it to the printer. It just queues it up so that it will run that report. Now once it's done running the report, you can then view it. Okay, it looks like it has completed. This took about 25 seconds to do. I went ahead and paused the video while that continued on. It automatically pulls up the report finished processing box. You can go ahead and then display the report. And you will notice that this report is rather lengthy. It is different than PowerSchool, and each student, based on how many categories you have listed for each subject, is going to depend on how long your paper is. But just for this one, it's going to show your different subject grades. You have math, language arts, reading, spelling, science, social studies, handwriting, and work skills. And notice it does have a signature line at the end. It's a pretty basic looking report. It is going to take some paper. Once you're done running those, then you can print those off and your progress reports will be finished.